Hey guys, Ultimate Team of the Season is finally here, and we'll see the EA guide released at yesterday's reset and see what's possible free to play. Let's move on. So the basic event flow is play skill games for Tots tickets. Now instead of 25 league points, it's now 10 tickets. So if you want to claim event icon Makalele, just do it right now. Just spend all the coin packs in the league on. So you can have more League On points, because it's gonna give you only 10 tickets if you store all the coin packs and restore it to the next day, next reset. And then on the reserve tab, you get, if you spend 1000 points, that is 1000 reserve points, you get 1000 Tots tickets. And then these are the ultimate player costs. 106 OVR costs 1500 points, and the least 98 OVR costs 150 points. And those are the weekly milestones, and looks like we can get a 90 over our reserve card. Maybe Zuma's in there, and that's it. That's free to play. Legendary shards are not free to play, by the way. That costs 1200 points. That's way more than what's achievable free to play. And then we have the ultimate special. This time there is no bonus at all. Like, we don't have the icon bonus, we don't have the reserve bonus, nothing. We have to play with our main squad and get in the leaderboard. For me, it's not possible, to be honest, because everyone in the world is gonna play and achieve for 3 logos. That's, of course, we don't know what's top 10% rewards actually, but I don't know if it's worth it. But there is a special score boost, so you can save up your points right now and do it in the Ultimate Tots special chapter. And then there is a Ultimate Pass, so you can get points from the Ultimate Pass. It looks like that way. So the point is not revealed right now, but looks like we'll get some decent points from that chapter. And that is the best possible Ultimate Team of the Season squad, and it looks absolutely amazing. And it gets even better when it gets animated, and the card art looks absolutely amazing. And then this is the reserve card art, and to be honest, I don't really like it that much than the starter card art. And those are the points and skill boosts of each Ultimate Team Season player. And it looks like Dribbling and Bruno Fernandes is free to play, because free to play can achieve 600 to 700 points. Even though whatever method you go, we are gonna get some extra points from the special and the Tots Pass chapter, Ultimate Tots Pass chapter. So Bruno Fernandes and Dribbling should be free to play. I don't know what about Mbappe. It depends on the amount of gem packs and amount of gems you have. And those are the prime icon and the event icons. I don't know where they will come. EA has not mentioned it, but Pele, Garincha and Bergkamp is gonna come. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys like the guide, and for preparation, get as much Utots points as possible. I'll get 550 Utots points at today's reset, so claim as much 97s or your methods 99 as possible. Claim event icons, transfer ranks, and upgrade your squad, and do as much sales as possible. Gather how many coins as much as you can. I know you can do a lot better, but I have only 70 million right now. I'll try to review every player possible, I promise you. And that's it, guys. That's the guide. And I end the video with the full Barcelona squad versus the full Eredivisie squad made by my friend Allstars, great YouTuber. Make sure you guys check him out. Given the link down in the description below. Make sure you guys check him out. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll sign off right now. Thanks for watching.
Don't try to stop this. Walk until I'm nauseous, 'cause I will not quit. Not because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes up. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops.
All of you, to stop what you're doing and listen.